Previously.
Well, let's see what we compare it to next. So it looks like this is becoming a little series comparing Bape to Bape from other websites. Last one was Amazon. This time, we're looking at Teemu. Now, before we get started, like I mentioned before,
your shit fake, nigga! You don't got it!
Just kidding. It's ultimately your money. You buy what you want to buy. But if you decide to buy legit, you can always shop with your boy.
Check it, yeah, shake your body, move your body. Orera teriyaki, boise hajimari. Kimi no tanimari, otome ga iki, soshite tachimachi, yotto move like a...
Wow, that was quick. Alright, let's see what we got. Okay, first item is... the color camo black shark beach shorts. So similar to Amazon, no Bape bag.
For the love of God!
Okay, so here it is. Positives. Definitely that beach material, polyester. You can for sure wear these in the swimming pool, beach, ocean, all that good stuff. Decent quality. Stitching is pretty good as well. For sure, way better than Amazon. Okay, design. So I don't have color camo black beach shorts to compare it to, but what I do have, the color camo black shark hoodie. So definitely can tell difference in color. Teemu is much too bright. Other stuff. Distinctive ape head. Nice ape head here. There goes another nice ape head. Nice ape head right here. I'm not too sure what these are exactly. And the biggest dead giveaway, the shark face. That's a big mouth, ain't it?
Pause.
So when Bape does shark shorts, the shark print is always on the front, both of the sides, or the very back. This one has all three of them. kind of interesting. Wasn't there some other brand that does kind of a shark print? Maybe somebody at Teemu wanted to do a unofficial collab. Well, here goes the first item. Is this Bape?
Man, hell no!
Is this something you can wear at a swimming pool or a beach? Yeah, why not? Alright, what do we have next? Next up.
What the f is this piece of sh?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, give me some time to set this one up. Well, here's the next item.
Cut the show. I'm done.
So we got the color camo black Again, half shark curtains. Now, Bape has done curtains before, most recently for the 30th anniversary, and one before that with ABC Camo Green. But this one right here...
Why?
So here is the so-called Bape Camo with the shark face. You know what this reminds me of? The Bape Jaws collab. Sorta. You know, for that collab, they used the Jaws character to create the mouth for the shark hoodie. Pretty cool concept. They try to do something like that, I guess, here.
Yeah. Oh!
Quality is good though. Stitching is strong, and print quality is pretty good. Could you use this as a basic curtain? Yeah, for sure. Is it Bape?
Hell no!
Okay, item number 3. Yes. The first camo yellow 6-pocket Bape shorts. You know what? The print doesn't look half bad. Better than the other shorts, for sure. But unfortunately, and Bape has dropped these before, dead giveaways, silky. Bape's always dropped these in cotton. Number 2, color. Now I don't have the shorts, but first camo yellow is always a pretty strong yellow. Number 3, no Bape tag. And for these particularly, should be on the side pocket. 4, the strings. For this design, string should be on the inside. Also, I'm not too sure what these X's are. Yeah, could you wear these as some basic regular shorts?
Almost definitely.
Are these Bape? Okay, last item. And you know how we gotta end it. The Teemu Bape Shark hoodie. Interesting. So when I bought this, in the picture, and it was a bit hard to tell, but it showed it had eyes in the mouth. But,
Huh?
So here we got the so-called ABC Camo Pink. I'm pretty sure I can tell the difference. Even though it's silky, overall quality is not too bad. Zippers are pretty good as well. Way better than Amazon. You know what, as a regular hoodie, it gets the job done. Is it Bape?
Mexican, black, so we have a lot of get-togethers, and I love to take my.
Well, there it is, guys. Bape Teemu. You know, if I were to rank both of these,
Your shit fake, nigga!
maybe Teemu is a tad bit better. Hope y'all guys enjoyed the video. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace!